Howdy folks, Richard here again, this time with part 3, making this Howitzer's carriage. Right, so what I'm about to do today is I'm going to start sanding this all flush together, try and match it best I can. Now already, you don't need to be a doctor to notice it, even between the tails, right, the twins, it's starting to separate. That's fine with me. The glue was there just to kind of hold it together while I do this job. The dowel rod's there just to kind of hold it together while I do this job. It just needs to hold together while I do this part, alright? When it comes to the final product, there's going to be bolts that goes through everything. These bolts are going to hold this all sandwiched together, and there's of course going to be, you know, the carriage in between, but mechanically it's going to be held together with bolts. I'm not worried about separation, the swelling, or the drying, the shrinkage. It's just not my problem, right? There's going to be iron strappings and all sorts of things. So, it doesn't need to be perfect woodworker. So I know any carpenter out there is going to be watching this and cringing and just hating me. And I'm sorry. I am not a carpenter. I won't ever pretend to be a carpenter. I'm just a fabricator. Someone who just kind of eyeballs old projects and goes, I can make that. Does not mean it's the right way. Doesn't mean it's a fast way or even a good way. It's just the way I do things. And that's why you see this angle grinder in front of me. That's how I'm going to sand it. It doesn't mean it's the right way or a good way. That's just the way I do things. That's what all these videos are. Please, love of God, don't do it the way I'm doing it. Do it better. Find someone who does this stuff. Ask someone to learn from. Don't do things the way I do. This is not a how-to video. This is just how I do it, okay? So let's get to it. It's rough. That's all that's needed. Right now it's functional. That's all I care about. Like I said, iron strappings are going to go across most of this. There's going to be boltings holding this together. So it just needs to essentially be smooth to the touch. Not give me splinters or have cracks or things like that. So we're good to go. Let's flip it and do tops. And there we go. Woo. Ah. Nice rainy day outside, nice under the porch, completely covered in sawdust, probably breathed in a lot of southern pine. Probably. It's probably how I'm going to die someday in the future. Lung-related issues or something. So anyway, don't do what I do. I'm just an idiot in my garage, or in this case, backyard, who just makes things. So anyway, this is how I make the howitzer. Next up, we're going to do the metal work. So bolts and iron bindings. We're getting there. We're getting there. Stay tuned for more. There's just so much sawdust. Begone, sawdust!